So, farewell to this Merlin. 52-100. Jeez. Sculpted. Stabilized, spalted. Looking for manly hands. Just right. So. Sharp edge on the top of the spine. One of a higher sort of finished blade size that I've done for a while, but that's down to the new cork belt finishing stage I'm putting in now. Simple brass pins, but the brass goes beautiful with the sort of tan fawn colour of the scales. Black liners had to be with the features of the wood. I've been playing with the cutting. Ridiculous edge. 5200 takes a beautiful micro bevel at the edge. You just see glinting. There it goes. Just a micro edge on it. And handmade leather sheath. There's the back. There's the front. Stitching on the belt loop doesn't go across the loop. It's just my way of doing it. Saddler told me one day, don't stitch across because it just weakens the leather more. You've got a series of holes in a straight line, so I do my W like that, and it's almost like a B as well, Wessex blades. So rather than do the standard stitch across the strap, I don't. Double row, lock stitch, multi-stage wax treatment, and whilst it's completed and then something else catches up, it just gets another and another and another coat of carnauba, and the handle gets another and another and another coat of boiled linseed. So by the time things have caught up, there could be 7 loads of carnauba on that, maybe 4 or 5. Just goes on and on. So farewell to the Merlin. In order to keep up with updates, make sure not only you're subscribed, but you've clicked that bell button, because the YouTube doesn't always send you the updates notifications, and sometimes knocks you off anyway. But there could be something available in the next few days that I can release onto a YouTube vid, something similar to this. But until then, farewell to the Merlin on its way to Captain, and see you on the next one. Make sure you're subscribed, otherwise something else like this comes up. It's an opportunity to get hold of something like this that I've fed along with the production of customs, and obviously when the machine's set up, I just knock another one out as well. And if there's 2 there, you know, I'll say, well, I'll commit that one to the order, and this one could have whatever scales I got a fancy to, and I just make something else extra. This one was due to go to the prepper meet. Unfortunately I couldn't make it this year. Just got the car back from the garage, so for many other reasons I haven't been able to make it this year. So this one would have been a prepper meet, and on its way now to Adrian. Thanks for joining me. Make sure you subscribe with the bell button.